Today I'm going to be doing a Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving a first impression showing a mini haul from Gerard Cosmetics. This is the first time I've ever made a purchase from Gerard Cosmetics, and actually the first time I'll be looking at trying any of their products. I was inspired by Just Ann, who has a channel here on YouTube, who talks about these products. I used her discount code as well. So let's dig in and see what Gerard Cosmetics has to offer. This is the packaging, just standard, and I honestly forget what I ordered, as is the norm. So let me just take it out. All right, I see 4 products, and there's a little card. I ordered from them the Slay All Day setting spray, and this is, what scent is this? Ooh, coconut. I'm so bad. Do you guys order stuff and forget what you ordered because it may take like 2 weeks, or is it just because I'm old? I've not put a setting spray on today, so let's give this a try. I like the packaging. It's very sleek. Nice little black and white. Let's find out firsthand what the spritzer looks like. I don't know if you can see. That's kind of fine. Oh, that smells so good. If you like the smell of coconut, like, what's that brand? Tropicana? No, that's orange juice. There was a brand of suntan oil, like in the 80s and 90s. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, that smells so good. The mister is good. It's a fine mist. Not sure. Picks up on camera if it's doing anything. It smells good. Okay. The next item I got is a lip pencil. And this is in the shade Melrose Place. And just gold packaging. And it looks like you do need to sharpen. Ooh, that's very creamy and glided on nicely. I already have lip on, but you know what? Let's give it a whirl. It's very smooth. The color matches my lips, so you can't really see it, but it is very smooth and creamy. Alright, the next product is Supreme Lip Cream. I do like the black packaging with the gold. It's very chic. Okay, this is the product here. And did I say what shade this is? Envy. It's a nice typical doe foot. Do a swatch. It is darker than the liner. give this a try on as well. It does have a smell. I'm not sure what it smells like though. It doesn't smell like fruity or like cake batter. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good. I can't put my finger on what that smell is. It's not sticky per se. Oh, it does have a taste though. It's a very subtle sweetness. It's a little thick. But your lips don't skip when you mush them together. And not sticky at all. Alright, the last item I got is also another lip product. And this is just called Lipstick in the shade Rodeo Drive. Man, my lips are... If you only knew how many products I had on my lips. Ooh. It's a nice gold bullet. It's a nice dusty rose right up my alley. Do a swatch. Oh, it's got a nice shimmer. I want to try it on, but I got too much on my lips already. Okay, I remember now. They are having a anniversary sale, and I did their 3 for $20 party. So I got 3 lip products. You get to choose 1 bullet, 1 lip liner, and 1 liquid type lip product, whether it's a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick, for $20. That's a pretty good deal. So I was inspired to try this brand because 3 lip products for $20 is a very good deal. They also get really high ratings for their setting spray. So give your comments down below. Are you a fan of Gerard Cosmetics? Have you tried them before? What do you think of their lip products and or their setting spray? This smell is fantastic. The spray is fine. And I love the smell. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.